Imagine you've just received a hefty sum of money. You're excited, you're thrilled, but then a nagging question pops up. How do I transfer this money to EverBank? We've all been there, haven't we? The feeling of excitement mixed with a touch of confusion when it comes to transferring money to online banks. Well, fear not, because today, we're going to break down the process step by step. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you even start, make sure you have all the necessary information at hand. This includes your EverBank account number, your routing number, the amount you want to transfer, the source of the funds, e.g., checking account, savings account, cash. Step 2. Choose your transfer method. EverBank offers a few different ways to transfer money. Let's explore them. Electronic funds transfer, EFT. This is probably the most common method. It involves transferring funds directly from your bank to EverBank. To do this, you'll need to provide your EverBank account and routing number to your current bank. ACH transfer. This is another electronic method that's often used for larger transfers or recurring payments. It's a reliable and secure option. Wire transfer. If you're dealing with a large sum of money or need a quick transfer, a wire transfer might be the best choice. However, it usually comes with fees. Mobile check deposit. Some EverBank accounts allow you to deposit checks using your smartphone. Simply take a picture of the check and upload it to the EverBank app. Step 3. Log into your EverBank account. Once you've chosen your transfer method, it's time to log into your EverBank account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first. Step 4. Navigate to the transfer section. Look for the transfers or move money section in your EverBank account. This is where you'll initiate the transfer process. Step 5. Enter the transfer details. You'll be asked to provide the following information: the amount you want to transfer, the source account, where the money is coming from, the destination account, your EverBank account, any additional details required by your chosen transfer method. Step 6. Review and confirm. Before you hit the submit or transfer button, carefully review all the information you've entered. Make sure everything is correct to avoid errors. Step 7. Wait for the transfer to complete. The processing time for transfers can vary depending on the method and the volume of transactions. You can usually track the status of your transfer in your EverBank account. Additional tips. Security first. Always prioritize security when transferring money. Be cautious of phishing scams and avoid sharing your personal information with anyone you don't know. Fees. Some transfer methods may involve fees. Check with your bank and EverBank to understand any associated costs. Processing times. Be aware of the estimated processing times for different transfer methods. If you need the money quickly, choose a faster option. Customer support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to contact EverBank's customer support. Transferring money to EverBank doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these simple steps and keeping security in mind, you can easily move your funds to your online bank account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.